Yeah, we're going to the store, and, we're not really, it's like an unexpected storm. It's an unexpected winter storm.
Yeah,
and it's raining, and it's really cold, and it's like winter, and we're dressed for summer.
Yeah, I'm wearing sandals.
So, we're gonna catch up with you after we're in the store.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're going into the store now. And it's raining, I can't wait to freezing out! Look how cold!
It could hurt your face. You could, get on fire.
The snow hits your face really hard. It's like little tiny pieces of hail.
Oh, we got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we got a lot of things. We ran out the door as fast as we could.
We counted to 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, we're gonna blast Hannah all the way up! Let's listen to Hannah!
Always keeping it real, let's get crazy.
Let's start it over.
What you need to know, what you gotta get to get where you wanna go.